Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. This one is going to be a real treat for you guys. You guys already know that I try to hit you guys with the sauce when it comes to this social media and digital marketing game. And this video is going to be no different. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Music Breakr app. Now, I know you guys have probably never heard of it, but I'm telling you, if you're an artist or a musician and you've been struggling to grow your music online, you haven't been getting the notoriety or the plays that you're looking for, or if you're an influencer looking for ways to just monetize your platform and just get to the bag, this app is gonna be perfect for you. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure that you watch the full video, okay? Because this is definitely a video that you wanna check out. All right, so you're probably wondering, okay, Antonio, what is this Music Breakr app? And the easiest way for me to explain it to you is that it's just a centralized place for musicians and artists to connect with influencers to help grow their music and plays online through certain campaigns, right? And those campaigns are set up by the influencer, okay? And so let's just say, right, I create skate content, right? And if you probably noticed, you've seen a lot of people skating to what? Music. So the influencer sets up a campaign on Music Breakr. They say, hey, for $100, I'll create a TikTok video skating to your music, right? That's just an example. But imagine that like times 1,000, like on steroids. Every influencer in every field, whether that's makeup, beauty, skating, like whatever you do as an influencer, right? You can set up a campaign, and as long as that campaign obviously involves some level of music, you can charge for your video. So I really think it's a super dope app that I think is like super ahead of its time, because honestly, like we've had influencer marketing around for a while, but just having it so easily accessible, especially for up and coming artists, is just mind blowing. So now I'm gonna actually walk you through the app, how you can set up campaigns as an influencer, or how you can look up campaigns as an artist, so you can definitely understand how you can use this app to help either get some money as an influencer or, you know, grow your music career as an artist. Now, because the app is still in beta mode right now, the easiest way to get access to the app is just to go to their Instagram. So I am gonna put their Instagram account on screen. Now, I did personally set up an influencer profile, so I don't know what the musician profile looks like, but I'm assuming it doesn't look that much different, but I'm gonna walk you through it right now. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Now, when you first load up the app and you're able to sign in, this is what it looks like. Now, my page is still in pending approval status because I just recently set it up, but this is what it'll look like. And so I have an influencer account. So once I want to set up campaigns, my campaigns will be set up right here. If you click my little profile, view profile. Now, I haven't even, like I'm telling y'all, I haven't even put like a picture on here yet, but it'll show, like if someone wants to view my profile, it'll show right up here, my name, my Instagram, my Twitter. So if anybody wants to set up a campaign with me and they just want to check out my, you know, social media accounts, they can. And then at the bottom, you'll see ongoing or completed campaigns. Very simple, right? You can either search campaigns, you can view your account, you can create campaigns all from right here. And then if you tap here, where does this go? Just back to, okay. So yeah, if you tap the little breaker icon, it just takes you back there. But you can see active campaigns, which again, I don't have any active campaigns, but let's try to search a campaign so you guys can kind of see what campaigns look like on the app. So let's hit search campaigns. So if I was somebody that was an artist looking to search up campaigns, this is what you would see. So the first one being, this person has 5.6 followers on Instagram. You know, they have a 7-day IG feed. So if you wanted to pay $30 just to be on her feed, that's what you can do. And so you see artist TikTok promotions, 1.7 million. Like there's so many things that you can see on here. So like if you're an artist, this is perfect. You can see pricing, you can see everything on here. Right, swipe up, like all this stuff, right? And so if you're an influencer, this is a way to get to the bag, right? Easily. And if you're an artist, depending on what type of content that they create, this is perfect for you. I really feel like influencer marketing it has already been the wave, but this is definitely like just groundbreaking on just accessibility and how easy it is. So you can see here, like so many campaigns that are here that you can utilize to help grow your audience as a musician. And it's very, very simple. And then let's just say you wanted to set up one. Let's just say I click here. You click it, right? You click the campaign, gives you more details, genres, simple, right? You get the point. So this app is super, super dope. It even gives you like price ranges, right? What type of influencer, genre, vibe, tempo, market location, keyword research. And guys, this app is just in beta, so it's gonna get better and better as time goes on. So if you're not on this app, you definitely want to get on this app ASAP. Now, if you guys have any questions, if there's anything that I missed out that you guys want answered, just go ahead and comment down below. But that's really the simplicity of the app. Literally, you can set up campaigns or find campaigns depending on if you're an influencer or a musician. And that's really it, right? Simple, to the point. You can look up the profile of the person to see if their content fits what you're looking for. And that's it. So I hope that you guys truly loved the video. If you guys have any questions at all, just make sure that you comment down below. And I just want to let you guys know that I did just release my newest ebook teaching you how to rank your videos online. So if you want to check that out, I'll link that down below in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, be easy.